Hi Jack, you asked a question about AI shorts in Descript this morning at the Hangout. I wasn't sure whether you needed to know how to do it, but just in case you did, I thought I'd show you. So this is Descript. This is one of the latest videos that I've produced, and I haven't yet created the shorts on it. The way to do it in Descript is very, very simple. You go across here to the right hand side of the screen and click on AI Tools. And as you scroll down, you'll find Create Clips. You can specify the number of clips you want and the duration of the clips. Now, given that this video is reasonably short, 7 minutes long, I'm certainly not going to get 10 clips out of this. You can also specify different layout options and whatnot. I don't really bother too much with that because I customize it after the fact. And just press submit and I wait to see what happens. And there you go. In this case, it's come up with 1. I'm just going to click restore all. Let's have a look and see what it's come up with.
If you are currently deconstructing your faith and you feel a deep, burning frustration with rigid, controlling religious systems, know that your anger at that system isn't a sign of spiritual failure, it's an awakening. And you might just be experiencing the exact shift Paul was writing about. You're stepping out of the Jerusalem below and looking up. If you've experienced religious trauma from the way these letters were used to police your life, this is simply a safe, open space for honest biblical criticism and spiritual recovery. Deconstruction isn't the end of faith. It is often the necessary boundary line where external bondage ends and internal freedom begins. How does it feel to look at Paul not as the gatekeeper of that prison, but as someone who was trying to hand you the keys to escape?
Alright, so that's what it's come up with. Obviously you can see there's some issues there, but I can basically take that, massage it to my own satisfaction and then publish it. And I probably will do something that's based on that. It'll be a little bit shorter. I've got to change the way it interacts with the B-roll and the backgrounds and that sort of thing, but it's all doable. If I want to see if I can find some more, let's hang on to that one for the moment. I'm just going to leave it there. I might just reduce the size of the clips. I'm just saying 30 seconds and see if it comes up with anything different with looking for a shorter clip. Yeah, and indeed, look, it's come up with a lot more. And then again, you would just go through, you'd click through each one, see what you think of it. Note that the little X button is a discard. If you don't like it, you can get rid of it. You can find all of the shorts and the clips here, along with the original video. Okay, and that's where it is. So it's very easy to do. Once you've got your clip and you're happy with it, you're clicking into the exporting it as a video, either as a Descript web link or you're doing a local export. So very easy to do in Descript.